So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your preferred payment method in PayPal. So you can change your preferred payment method on PayPal using a web browser, or in this case it's going to be the app on your mobile device, and you can do that by updating your wallet. So you can select the desired bank or card and choose set as preferred or saving your new payment preferences. So through there you can see at the bottom of the screen the option for accounts. So you can access the option under your profile. So let's do that. And once you're at your settings, you can see contact info, notification preferences, marketing preferences, login, and security that goes alongside with data and privacy. And you can see payment preferences. So let's go to payment preferences. So once you're there and you've logged in again to your PayPal account, you will see here, manage your automatic payments, choose a preferred way to pay, earn rewards, and do more. So on there, you can choose for online purchases, you can select a specific payment method that's going to be working best for you. So once you've changed that, you can change that preference on there. You can also set up automatic payments for your account, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. So it's going to be just selected through here, and you're going to be then redirected to just put in that specific payment method that you would like to be your preferred payment method going forward. So it's for online purchases, for sending and receiving money, and so on. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.